It's time for Product Summit Online. Welcome, and we're glad you're here. I'm Steve Johnson, founder of Product Growth Leaders and a volunteer and a sponsor of Product Summit Online. Product Summit Online is a historic first joint venture by ProductCampRTP and PDMA Carolinas. Product Summit Online is for product people who plan, design, build, market, or manage a product or service, whether enterprise or startup. Our combined participants are diverse audiences from many technical fields. ProductCampRTP is a group dedicated to sharing best practices, tools, and training around products from conception to renewal for free. ProductCampRTP conducts live sessions in the Raleigh-Durham area as well as worldwide online conferences. PDMA Carolinas is a local chapter of PDMA dedicated to building a stronger community with more than 1,200 innovation professionals in the Carolinas. PDMA Carolinas has a significant presence in RTP and Charlotte, North Carolina, as well as Greenville, Spartanburg, and Charleston, South Carolina. Their capstone event is the Innovate Carolina Conference, generally held in April. More details about that conference will be announced soon. Weeks before the conference, over 300 people had already registered from around the world, including Australia, Aruba, Canada, Cyprus, Germany, Spain, Finland, United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Croatia, Ireland, India, Netherlands, Poland, Turkey, United States, and South Africa. Now, why are we here? This is your conference. Attend the sessions you'd like, learn techniques that you can put to work next week. Ask questions, and make connections with the speakers and participants. Ultimately, our goal is to turn good ideas into successful products systematically. Find problems, solve them, tell people. Create solutions to customer problems that add value to the customer's business as well as yours. And remember the 3 V's. To succeed, products must solve problems that are vital to the buyer, or else they won't buy it, valuable to the user, or else they won't use it, and viable for your business, or you can't continue to offer it profitably. Today we have 15 sessions on topics in product management, design, development, marketing, and more. Plus, after the sessions, be sure to stay for the panel on the future of product management, facilitated by Hector Del Castillo. Use the short link u10.me/PSO to get to the sessions page. Now I'm going to show you some secret pages, and don't tell anybody. You can't navigate to these pages from the main conference website. You'll have to know the URL. And you'll know you've reached it if you see the green menu bar. Remember, use the quick link u10me/PSO to get to these pages. And they're only for registered participants, so please don't share the link. If you want, you can click on the Welcome item to see a video of this talk. Click on the Schedule menu to bring up the session agenda. The schedule is a matrix of sessions, typically 20-minute presentations followed by 5 minutes of Q&A and a quick break before the next session begins. Pretty much like any conference, sessions are in rooms. In this case, virtual rooms, green, red, and blue. These are clearly marked on the schedule. And the schedule page looks like this. If you want to know more about a session, go to the abstract for the session by clicking here. Go to the session room by clicking in this area. This will open the Zoom room for the session. Each session will have a moderator if you have any concerns or troubles. Oh, and when you're in a session, be sure to mute your microphone. And we hope you'll stay for the panel on the future of product management. Considering unprecedented market shifts, changing buyer behavior, reduced team capacity, and remote working, we are curious how product professionals will forge new paths in the years to come. The panel is moderated by my friend Hector Del Castillo, with panelists J.J. Rory, Dave Mathias, me, Steve Johnson, and Pamela Schur. Conferences like this are only possible because of our sponsors, so let me give them a shout out. On the sponsor page, click on the icon to go to their website. In some cases, they'll make a landing page with conference-specific information. Be sure to check them out. Also check out the digital swag bag. Our sponsors have made a number of donations to our swag bag. Here you'll find e-brochures, templates, ebooks, and more in a shared drive with folders for each sponsor. Oh, and one more thing, there's prizes. Many of our sponsors are offering prizes from books and community memberships to complete online courses. And how do you get chosen for these prizes? The conference organizers will select winners randomly from those of you who complete the conference survey. Pragmatic Institute is giving away 2 golden tickets to their online courses, valued at $12.95 each. Product Growth Leaders is offering electronic copies of Turn Ideas into Products by Steve Johnson, that's me, and 2 seats in Fundamentals of Managing Products online course beginning in January, valued at $2,500 each. Sequent Learning will share copies of the Product Manager Survival Guide by Stephen Haynes, plus 2 seats in their Product Management Essentials on-demand course, valued at $8.95 each. Everyone who enters to win gets access to Sequent's product management community with product templates, videos, and resources. We also want to thank AIM Institute, who are sharing 4 individual passes to their live virtual workshop, valued at $395 each. The PDMA Carolinas team is offering 2 copies of the Product Development and Management Body of Knowledge, a guidebook for training and certification, a $45 value, plus 2 one-year individual memberships to the PDMA community. Product managers, designers, marketers, and developers all know the importance of research, so you'll understand that we want to leverage your experience to provide insights for future conferences like this one. We'll choose prize winners from those who complete the conference survey. And just as a conference needs sponsors, a conference also needs volunteers. They make sure the sessions are recorded, that the speaker is there, and they make the day go smoothly. Many have also been working behind the scenes for the last few months to make this conference a reality. I want to personally thank them for all their hard work. When you have a chance, be sure to thank them. And look for opportunities for you to volunteer at future sessions with us or with your local product camp. 3 more quick tips to make this a great day for us all. First, use your manners. Be respectful of one another. 2, remember everyone here is a volunteer, including you, so help out wherever you can. And if this is your first multi-session conference, let me tell you about the Law of 2 feet. The Law of 2 feet reminds us that each of us has 2 feet and should feel free to use them. If you're not enjoying a session, simply leave and go to another session. No judgment. Welcome again to Product Summit Online, a joint venture by ProductCampRTP and PDMA Carolinas. Let's get started and have a great day at Product Summit Online. See you in the sessions.